Well, hello, friends. We are talking about the median of a triangle. And you might ask me, what is the median of a triangle? Well, I've given you a definition down there, and it says that the median of a triangle is the segment that goes from a vertex to the midpoint of the side opposite that vertex. So to give us an idea of what everything is as we look at this figure, this part right here, that's my vertex. Just going to put a little B right there. And then in a different color, I'll go down here just so we can distinguish what part is what. This part down here, that is my midpoint. Now, a couple of important things about what this median does is this median is going to actually split this opposite side that it touches into two equal parts. So this side right here and this segment right here are both equal, and the part that we're saying is equal is the segment from here and the segment from here. So that is what the median does. So once again, the median goes from the vertex, it touches the opposite side, and when it touches that opposite side, it splits that opposite side into two equal parts. And so on the next slide that you're going to look at, we're going to just be able to do a little bit of math right here to, and it's not real hard math, it's real easy because we're applying the property of the median. Now look at what we have in the given. In the given, it says that Km is a median. So since Km is a median, what we know is that it's splitting things into two equal parts. Well, what two parts are equal? Well, this side here, AM, is equal to MB. And if you'll look down there at the direction in the problem, it says find AB if MB is equal to 10. Well, what we know then is if MB is equal to 10, we also know that AM also must equal to 10 because that's the definition of median. It splits things into equal parts. And so from A all the way over to B, we add my tenths together. 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. So to work this problem out, to find AB, the answer to that is 20 by the definition of the median. So was that hard? I don't think so. Okay. But what happens if I throw x's into the mix like I do on this next one? Oh my God, Mr. Rachel, you put x's and all kinds of different nonsense in there. Well, the properties here don't change. You need an equation to solve this problem. What are we going to fill in these blanks? Here again, we've got the same given. We've got that Km is a median right there, which means it has split us into two equal parts. Let me go ahead and mark that right there. That part and that part right there are equal. So now what I need to do is I need to fill out an equation. Blank equals blank. Something equals something. So in this case, 2x plus 7 is equal to 5x minus 2. Teachers, pause the tape right now so that the kids can solve that equation out real quick. Now, when you solve that equation, you're going to get that the value of x is equal to 3. And to figure out the measure of AM, this is going to be over here, AM is going to equal 5 times 3 minus 2, and when you do all that, it's equal to 13. So I'm going to put this up here. AM is equal to 13, which means that MB is also equal to 13. And so all the way across from A to B, the whole thing, AB, right there, that is equal to 26. And this is just the property of a midpoint. You've got two congruent parts, and when you have two congruent parts, certain things are equal to each other. And so that gives you just an idea of how our problems will work with a median.